With Flutter, it can be easy to create a great-looking screen full of awesome widgets. But how hard is it to create a bunch of screens and let your user swipe between them? If you use the PageView widget, turns out it's not that hard at all. The first thing you need is a PageController, which manages swipe detection and provides the animation. Use the initial page property to set which page it starts on. Then, create your pages using the PageView widget and give it the controller and the pages to show. Want to scroll your pages vertically? Just set the scroll direction to vertical. And that's it. By using PageView and PageController, your users can swipe through the screens to their heart's content. For more info on PageView and all the other Flutter widgets, head to flutter.io.